Delhi Technical Campus has a stress-free environment which encourages students to learn and get exposure to practical implementation of their subjects. Our campus is a real picture of exotic nature. It showcases the mesmerizing green beauty, providing a peaceful space for students to study, learn their lessons and prepare themselves for their bright future. Our faculties adopt all the measures to create a homely and a positive atmosphere for student learning. The mechanical department labs are well equipped. Our college has workshops for manufacturing processes, including various machines and tools, which are necessary for basic as well as advanced mechanical students. Our college provides good learning and grooming ground for civil engineering. Concrete lab and survey lab are well equipped, which are ISO certified. Computer science department owns computer lab, which are connected with the server. The internet lab has high-tech facilities. We have 8 Mbps broadband connectivity and all nodes are deployed for students to browse.
We provide quality engineering and technical education to the students. Our institute aims to provide well-qualified manpower to this nation. We have highly qualified faculty from the renowned institutions like Delhi Technological University, IIT and Delhi University. We provide 24/7 high-speed Wi-Fi internet facility to the students so that they can update themselves with the latest technologies.
Our campus provides world-class electronic labs with quality features, electrical gadgets and superb field for students to showcase their talent. Here, chemical science faculties adopt all measures for students. It consists of all chemicals and apparatus which are needed for new budding Einsteins. The Communication Skill Lab imparts training to students through the syllabus in its theoretical aspects and practical components. We prepare students to interact for formal and informal situations. Our college has well-furnished seminar hall, which is fitted with projectors and soundproof video facilities, where all the presentations and seminars are organized. Library is located in spacious section of our college building, with the facility of digital library and reading room. College library is systematically and steadily organized. There are various national and international journals on different subjects. From the concept of e-library, students can access the e-books and e-journals. Our proactive counselors ensure that students are properly guided. Our college provides counseling sessions for parents as well as students regarding admission and inquires with regards to the stream. Students find these counseling sessions very helpful for their future perspectives. College canteen is beautifully constructed and aesthetically designed. It provides good quality, hygienic food and beverages. Our campus is there where athletes can exist. It provides best sports faculty and various games like long jump, volleyball, table tennis, etc. Hostel facilities available within the campus, having 2 and 3 seaters room. In hostel, each and every room is provided with round-the-clock Wi-Fi facility and LCD TVs. Students are advised to well behave and maintain the decorum and discipline of hostel. College provides hygienic and nutritious food in mess 3 times a day.